Gondor meat patty production line. High degree of automation. Support for custom-shaped meatloaf production. Form meat into patties. Coat the meat patties with batter. Efficient automated production. Coat the meat patties with breadcrumbs. Deep fry meat patties. High output and stable quality. Customizable patty shape and size. Suitable for various food ingredients. Client feedback.
I'm here in Denmark and I just wanted to tell you about this machine that I bought about a year ago. Yeah, it's been amazing, it's been wonderful.